Guys, sobrang ganda ng mga puno talaga dito sa Korea. Ang sarap tingnan, ang sarap pagmasdan ng mga puno nila. Para mga Christmas tree. Mapakanta ka na ng Jingle Bell.
Mama, di ba sabi mo na kailangan palagi kami mag-green?
Uy, ang ganda dito tingnan mo! Thank you, KTO, Korean Tourism Organization.
감사합니다.
Wow! Guys, tingnan niyo ang room namin dito, oh. Ang room namin ni Jason. Hala, tingnan mo, may ganito pa, oh. This is Ramada Hotel. Dito malapit sa Everland. Gyeonggi. Gyeonggi Ramada Hotel. Look at the CR nila. There's a sala. And a TV.
Ito o ano?
With the kusina, guys. Look at the kusina. Ang room ng mga kids.
Guys, dito ako matutulog mamaya night time. Guys, di mo may lights pa. Nasaan ang lights? Hi guys, so I'm here at the tent because it's so cool and the kids will love it. Look, guys, you can hide. Bye!
Look at the CR of the kids. It's very friendly. Pag may mga family kayo, may mga anak kayo, dito yung best talaga na hotel para sa mga nakita nyo. Maganda ang CR, and then may drawing, and then yun. Oh, diba? Ang ganda.
Uy, ganda ang sunset!
Mama, ang ganda ng view!
Helicopter! Thank you, Ramada Hotel! Guys, nandito na kami sa event that we've waiting for. Ang pagiging ambassador and ambassadress.
Guys, I'm wearing a dress, but I'm wearing shoes.
Ambassador, ambassadress, kaya kami naka-dress.
You kinda look like a...
Ayun na ba?
What? Parang...
Ganda, no?
Guys, akala ko diving si Mama. Magpupunta tayo.
Guys, miss ko ba diving ako mamaya?
Go guys!
In black. In black. Ang isang pagkakamali ng KTO na kinuha kami. Pinsan nyo! Pinsan nyo! Mother!
Dito lapit mo yung... Parang mga feeling.
Ayun, tuwa.
We are the black mans. Uy, nagsasara.
Uy, stop!
Ako si Hengin. Hengin ako. Director. Good morning.
Mama, you're so pretty, Mama. Again.
Ako si Hengin.
Nice meeting you.
Welcome
to Korea.
The surname is Kaya. Oma Kaya.
Mama, kaya.
Oma and the family.
Your last first time here in Korea. Second time.
Samida for the very warm welcome and very comfortable places. Okay, no problem, madam. Yes.
Kamsahamnida.
Oh, cute.
Kamsahamnida, director.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Ito na guys, pupuntahan na namin ang aming dagat at pupuntahan sa scuba diving. Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida for inviting me, sir.
I know that you are really busy with your schedules, but thank you so much for bringing 3 generations of family members here to Korea.
Oh,
Our pleasure.
Our pleasure.
and it's my pressure. because we are very honored because you invite us.
I understand that your next schedule is at Korea Invites You luncheon.
Yeah.
Yes. And we're very grateful, kamsahamnida, sir, for this invitation. We are very excited with this invitation because our family love Korea so much. Korea is a very dear
Close to our heart.
aside from K-drama and K-pop.
We call you Miss Malay.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so Miss Malay, I know that you are the next generation comedy queen of the Philippines, and in your movie from last year, Ma'am Chief, I wanted to give you a belated congratulations for your Best Actor award.
Kamsahamnida. Because I think God gave it to us, to me, because we didn't expect it. And, all the blessing is from God, because I'm just a normal people in the Philippines. Because I'm shy to what's
엄청 겸손하십니다.
Very humble.
Oh, we feel like we're in the Korean drama.
I love Korea.
Why? Why do you want?
She likes the chicken here.
How about the kimchi? Like the kimchi?
Me.
Kimchi is the best for it.
How about Everland? Huh?
Yes.
I am so grateful that I am included in this group, and I am. I am really. Oh, how come I can go to Korea with this kind of
Invitation.
And I am so nice, so clean. The environment and the people is very hospitable. Thank you.
Miss Virginia, it's all your effort that you were able to raise such a great daughter. That's why you deserve everything to be here with us.
But we are very poor in things.
Because we're very accepted that our face is not as beautiful as face as in Korea.
멜라하고 스텔라는 K-pop 좋아한다고 들었는데.
I heard that
New
you
Jeans
like New Jeans from K-pop.
Yes.
You want to show them your dance?
You dance in yung ASAP. Ano yung tawag yun? Super Shy. Super Shy. Okay, ready? Can you say to the sir because it's already.
Let's go.
Just the first part. Just the first part.
She wants to be a member, or maybe a Korean.
In the future.
In the future.
In the future.
The song is very super shy. Super shy.
So I want to ask Bella, are you excited to learn a new choreography from New Jeans in a couple of days?
Yes.
Super yes.
Not super shy. Super yes.
And it is my sincere wish that this trip becomes a very good memory for all five of you.
Absolutely, we cannot forget these trips. We're very thankful. So much hospitable. We go to Gimpo Hospital. That's why I'm very
But
thankful to them.
Okay.
And to Miss Lian from Philippines. Thank you also.
Even okay to stay.
And now, thank you Lord for the medicine. It's very okay. What you want to say? Say kamsahamnida to them for the
오늘 사회를 맡게 된 한국관광공사 아시아 중동팀 장현재입니다.
Today's ceremony has been organized to promote the charm of Korea as a family tourist destination in the Philippines by appointing Miss Bella Cantueros, a famous comedian, actress, and MC from the Philippines, as the Family Fun in Korea campaign honorary ambassador for Korea tourism. Through today's appointment ceremony, we hope that Korea will be recognized as an attractive family tourist destination in the Philippines, leading to an increase in families visiting Korea.
It's our pleasure. It is our lifetime that we're gonna bring is, and we will bring Korea in the Philippines. And we will always say the good memories and the best experience here in Korea.
Represent Miss Virginia Mela's mother with the
Thank you, and I'm very grateful.
Executive Vice President will present Mr. Jason Meller's husband with an Oslo tea set.
Picture na ba?
The Executive Vice President will present New Jeans dolls to Melanie $2, Amelia and Stella.
Smile. Thank you so much, sir. We're very grateful to this opportunity and we will never forget it. It's the best experience in our family. Thank you for choosing us, sir.
Thank you for the time, sir. The time. Thank you for your time.
And we will help promote Korea in the Philippines. And because last year, many people want to go to Korea, but they are very lost hope of the getting the visa. But now we will tell to them that we experience it and we will say to them the good news that they can walk in to get the visa. The very fast applicable of visa so that the Filipino people will not be discouraged and can enjoy the annyeong haseyo. Can enjoy the Korea.
And have a safe trip back home to the Philippines with your videos that you've created here on Instagram and YouTube. I believe that you will do a great job of promoting Korea to the Philippines.
Yes, yes. We will do and we will have to. 감사합니다, sir.
감사합니다.
Okay.
Hey, Nak. Hey, Nak.
Sabi na!
Hey, Nak. Magkain ka na.
Guys, ito pupunta naman kami sa Korean Invites You. So, doon ang next event natin. Pagkatag ako. Ay, nako. So, dito kami sa Korean Center talaga. Korean Center. Yung maraming mga Korean guys. Sa nilakad kami pagtitingnan nila kami para kami mga utok doon. We're crossing the street and we have to be sign of the cross
Guys, si
safe
Mama.
kami.
Guys, yung damit ni Mama, cleaner.
Hoy, may magbaro. Si WL, Catholic Youth Ministry.
Bodyguard siya.
Guys, ito na, hinihintay ko na yung aming mga bosses namin. Dahil ngayon, didiretso na kami sa Korea Invites You. Kailangan na namin mag-ready at hindi naman ako masyadong ready. Pero, alam mo ba, dito ko sa labas nagtambay kasi malamig dito, guys. Kahit anong mga outfit mo dito, no? Talagang hindi ka mahuhulas. Guys, narito na tayo sa Korea Invites You na event. And ito na nga, nakagaon na kami. Ay!
Ambot ka na lang. Balik.
My ganito is literally weird. Guys,
It's okay, my love. You can sanay that.
Family.
감사합니다.
Let's go this way.
감사합니다. 안녕하세요. Ganda ng kanilang ano, parang CCP. Parang CCP kasi ito sa atin sa Philippines.
what's the name of the
감사합니다. 사랑해요. Ay. Because the sandal is on construction. Yan.
Bella, isa pa. Sa kabila. Bella, isa pa. Yan.
Uy, paano yung Squid Game? Yung igagano mo ba yun, di ba yung Squid Game kung nasira mo, pwede kang
Bella, oo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Oh! Ay, stay.
Wala pang
Yan,
leche flan.
Dugo? Daw tayo ng puan, stay. Gusto ko mahirap. Itong box. Mahirap? Guys, it's our first time to try this kasi nakikita ko to sa YouTube.
Wow! Parang pancake. How touch ka?
Is that a hot cake? Candy.
Candy sa Squid Game.
Uy, Squid Game inspired talaga siya kay may Squid Game na something. It's
I
hot.
want to try the umbrella, please.
Can I try the hexagon? Wait nyo na. Because bago pa tayo lumapot dito dahil hindi tayo mga close kids.
Ay! Uy! Oh my God! I think I just sira it agad. Ay, hindi ko nasira! Wow! I did it!
Wow! Yay! Kagatin mo na, kagatin mo. Ay, nahulog, loka.
Masarap! I know I'm gonna do it. Thank you, Lord.
Go Steya, you can do it. And this is the
Squid Game.
traditional candy of all Korea.
Correct. Dalgona.
Maybe.
56 years old.
Ago.
사랑해요. 감사합니다.
Mahirap kay Papa. Good luck, Papa. I got a rose. Got a rose.
Nakakala ng mga Koreano pababaho talaga. You can do it, Stella. You only have 5 seconds to do it. And also Jason Francisco.
You only have
Your timer starts
20,
now.
20, ganun to Squid Game. 30 minutes. 30 seconds. Kakount ako. 1.
Gagawin din niya ako pala.
Pinaka-hard sa'yo, Mama.
The circle.
Stella.
Uy, easy lang kay Mama, guys. Circle.
Ay, the heart. Because I am the heart of my family. Here in Korea.
No.
감사합니다.
Mama ka.
감사합니다. It's your prize.
Oh. Guys, I already won. Papa, you can do it para roast tayo together as a family.
Na-break ko. Nag-break ko.
Talo.
Ay, na-break ni Papa.
I broke it.
Nagawa ni Mama! Papa heart!
Pasok ka sa loob.
Papa, di mo nagawa ni Mama.
Break it.
Papa, nag-break ni Mama.
Favorite mo.
Nanalo ako.
Nanalo din ako si Mama. Si Papa nasira, so wala ka. Papa, okay, share na lang tayo, Papa.
Patay na dapat ako sa Squid Game, no?
Pwede ka
Family, after this, these are kind of hush.
Tala. Okay lang yan. Smile lang nila, smile.
감사합니다.
Thank you.
Oh, Papang, she is the really maker of the Squid Game. 감사합니다. Guys, siya talaga ang gumawa ng ganito sa Squid Game. Nung Squid Game na movie, siya talaga yung gumawa. Can you say hi to our camera?
안녕하세요.
Oh my God, it's our honor to be
experience to my
yes. Yes, daw ko na. Kamsahamnida.
감사합니다.
Together, everyone. You all join.
그럼 장비는
1, 2, 3.
네, 여러분 안녕하세요. 2023 한국 방문의 해를 맞아 문화체육관광부와 한국관광공사가 준비한 아주 특별한 초대 Korea invites you.
Hana, a renowned comedy queen from the Philippines. And welcome, Melay Cantiveros. Melay Jason Francisco. Amelia Francisco. Stella Francisco. Shy there. Virginia Cantiveros.
안녕하세요. 2023-2024 한국 방문회 공식 홍보대사 서영입니다. 캠페인으로 한국을 찾아주신 여러분들 모두 환영합니다. 여러분들의 한국을 향한 애정이 가득 느껴지는 소중한 사연 너무나도 감동적이었습니다. 또 필리핀에서 오신 엘라이 가족분 네, 모든 분들 한국에서 만나뵙게 되어서 진심으로 감사드리며 저 역시 직접 이 자리에 참석해서 여러분들을 만나고 싶었지만 이렇게 영상으로라도 인사를 드립니다. 앞으로 여러분들은 전세계에 모인 참가자 여러분들과 함께 한국의 구석구석을 여행하면서 진짜 한국을 만나보게 될 텐데요. 이번 여행이 여러분의 인생에 잊지 못할 소중한 추억이 되길 바랍니다. 모두 안전하고 또 즐거운 여행 되시길 바라겠으며 우리 다음에 한국에서 만나도록 해요. 그럼 재밌게 놀고 가요.
한국을 찾아주셨는데요. 손 한번 흔들어 주실까요? Renowned Filipino actors and comedians Melay and her family have traveled all the way from Philippines to visit Korea. How about a shout out? How about a wave of the hand? Okay, Melay, since you've come with your family, could you please introduce them to us?
In our case, it's not Korea invites you. It's with S. Korea invites us. Because we're family. And first of all, I am Melay. I'm Francisco. My real name is Melissa. Melay is just a screen name. And my husband, Anyong Hazen. My husband. And our daughters, Mela and Stella. And my Oma.
Very elegant.
Yes. Kamsahamnida for this opportunity that invited us because our family is going to the Korea last year because I have a shooting a Mom Chief movie. It is a police investigator that the mafia go to the Korea and change the face. That's why, because Korea is the best in the plastic surgery. That's why I cannot find the killer because it turns into a very handsome oppa. And that's why we ever since we love Korea because the wedding of ours, the best man is a Korean. Ryan Banks, our best friend, is a Korean. And we very love Korea. That's why when we go to last year there, we're very amazed at the tradition, to the culture, to the cleanliness, and to the approachable, to the very, they don't need help, but they always help you. I just walk in the, so they help already us, and we're very happy to that kind of hospitality in this Korea, and my family loves it, and that's why we thank KTO, Korean Tourism Organization Philippines, because they choose us as an ambassador, family ambassador, to share to the Filipino that how wonderful Korea is. And we're a very simple family in the Philippines, but we're very grateful that they honor us, that they invite us. Right. Attorney, please talk to them. Just kidding.
Okay. Thank you, Melay.
Kamsahamnida. I'm sorry for this outfit because I want to impress.
It's great. We're loving it. You don't need to be sorry.
한번 축하드립니다. Congratulations to everyone who got
Magugustuhan ni Tita
Sabi
Jem.
ko sa'yo, Lucky. Wala, swerte mo, Lucky Draw mo yun. Swerte talaga siya.
Stia, you're so lucky.
Guys, na-win siya, guys. Na-win. What will you say? Guys, tapos na rin ang aming pagiging sosyalan. At ito, may pupuntahan kami na the best na ikaka-relax namin. Dahil talagang hindi talaga kami to eh. Pupunta kami sa Jim Jilbang. Isa, babulgang, kung mupilit makabuan. Guys, pupunta kami sa Jim Jilbang. Siyempre, nakagaon pa kami. Kaya sabi daw ng mga Korean, sabi nila, I am the first ever go to Jim Jilbang na nakagaon. Well, it's okay. Ay guys, ito na. Hindi nila alam na ito kami papunta. Nakagaon kami. Akala nyo kung saan kami punta. This is the reception of our wedding. Ito talagang pinakagusto ng mga tao, ang Jim Jilbang. Kasi yung Jim Jilbang talaga is yung pag mga Korean ka, dun sila nagre-rest, dun sila naglalabas ng kanilang mga kwan. And ito meron dito sa Manila eh, pero gusto namin puntahan yung original talaga na Jim Jilbang. At least matry man lang natin. So, let's go. Ayun. Ito na kami sa Jim Jilbang. Ito yung food court nila. Lawak ng kanilang Jim Jilbang dito. Ang ganda ng kanilang saunahan nito. The best. Ito kumakain na kami.
I'm so ipuda, guys. Mama, gusto ko katabi sa'yo, Mama.
Ano guys, parang kulungan guys. Ang kanilang sauna sa loob. Hoy, mga kakosa. Kakosa. Anong kasalanan nyo?
Hindi kumain ng magdamag.
Actually, malapit na exam kaya nag-skip ako ng class. Kung right lang.
Parang kulungan mo.
Really tasty and delicious.
So today we are going to the Seoul flagship store in Gangnam. Yeah. Do you know where is Gangnam?
Yes, Gangnam is the best style. Gangnam style.
Yeah, right. Yeah, very famous. Yeah, become very famous place for the foreigners because the song of the Psy, Gangnam Style. Yeah.
And Gangnam is where the artists shopping.
Yeah, right.
In Korea.
Yeah, the salons, hair and makeup shops and management company, they are here in Gangnam. Yeah.
Wow, gusto natin makikita ng artista sa Gangnam tayo kasi nandun lahat ng artista.
Yeah. Many artists and rich person usually live in the Gangnam. Gangnam is the most expensive area in Seoul City.
Parang Makati, parang BGC.
Yeah, right.
Makati,
yeah, Makati. Yeah. So the Seoul flagship store is located in the Dosan Street in Gangnam area.
Pupunta kami sa spa, mag-go kami, mother and daughter time kami. Tanggalin ko yung stress sa buhay ko, pero dadagdagan ko ng malaking stress. Ito na kasama ko ang senior citizen ko na mama ko. Kasi dito sa Korea, marami silang mga ginagawang mga ano kagaya ng mga Everland na good for family. Ito naman, good for mother and daughter. Yung mga nanay natin, gusto natin i-treat. Dito sa Korea is the best. Kasi maganda ang spa nila. Marami silang ino-offer ng mga bagong mga wellness at mga pakulo at talaga nang ikagugusto ng iyong mga nanay. And masaya ka kapag mag-wellness tayo.
Yes, masaya.
Sino ang pinakamasaya ka kasama ang apo mo or kasama ang husband mo na mahal mo?
Apo.
Bakit mo ang asawa mo? Si Papa, bakit ayaw mo ikuan?
Reklamador.
Ano expect mo sa punta natin?
Sauna.
Gusto yung sauna kapo natin? Spa, massage. Ang nagmamasad sa kanila mga opa daw, mga opa. Mga opa ng mga lalaki na mga gwapo. Okay lang sa'yo?
Yan si Gangtae.
Si Gangtae, si Itsuki na Tsubiaki. Or si Baekhyunwoo. Pati mo naman, massage yung bukol-bukol mo na katawan. Let's go na. Solhaso repair our face.
I cannot guarantee 100%, but you can see improvement.
Thank you for
very honest.
You're very Solhaso honesty.
Yeah, you can see improvement.
Yes. Please don't ask questions if you don't want to get hurt. So Solhaso, we will gonna go to you. Nandito na kami sa Solhaso. And talagang, ito pala ang Gangnam. A very social place. Parang BGC natin dyan. Tingnan nyo guys, tingnan nyo. Yan. Gangnam. This is Gangnam, pangmayaman nila. And dito yung parang Solhaso nila. So let's gonna try it so that we can believe it. We will go to Solhaso.
Nilook forward mo. Puro after 1 month maganda na ako.
Bigay ka nga dyan. Grabe na ngayon, binigay ko sila ng mga beauty regimen. Naubos na kaya iligo mo siguro.
Wala talaga akong hilig sa ganda-ganda rin. Gusto ko lang matikman ang habang buhay.
Gusto mong matikman ang pagmamahal ni Papa. Ano masasabi? I-shout out mo siya kasi namimiss mo na siya. Go.
Hindi ko siya namimiss lagi.
Oh, hindi mo siya namimiss. Shout out mo lang.
Yun siya, huwag kang magreklamo.
Guys, binigyan agad kami ng ganito. Guys, matinan mo ba? Are you currently experiencing irregular menstruation? No.
Minupos na ako. Have you ever seen the rain?
Have you ever seen the rain? Is there a question? Have you ever seen the rain?
Anong chemical peeling? No.
Yung sa mukha mo kung nagpipil ka, wala ka ng peel. O hindi ka peel, pero feeling ka. Feels ka, dami mo rin feels.
Wala, uy.
Huh? Wala ka rin feels? Yan ako sa mukha mo.
Ay, malamig man.
Mainit. How much is the spa here? 250,000 won, the spa. Face and body, it's like 10,000. 10,200. So, 10,000 face and body spa. Oh, di ba? At kuan na, the best na ng mga pampa-beauty regimen na nilalagay sa'yo because 100% daw talaga ang mga nilalagay itong mga ginseng. So, talagang the best talaga siya.
Bakit hindi tayo nag-face? Sama ng face.
Pinapapili kami guys ng fragrance kung ano ang mas suit sa akin habang ginagawa yung spa. Because it is, hindi to facial spa ha. Ito is parang minamassage yung mukha mo dito. Minamassage yung mukha mo tapos may amoy ka na aroma hanggang ang back. Ang ganda nito, gusto ko i-try. I want to try this to my husband but next time. I will book here 2 weeks before. Yes. Ay, 1 month. Because it's fully booked here. Because grabe pala itong spa na ito. Hindi ito beauty spa, kundi balance spa. This one, I want. Alam mo, ang mga Korean, napansin ko sa kanila, sila siguro yung unang nakadiscover ng deserve mo to. Kasi dapat tayo mga Pinoy, kakainin mo to kasi deserve mo to. Sila talaga, because grabe sila ka-industryo. So, sobrang industrious nila. Deserve nila yung ganito ka. Ang premier na spa. Solhaso balance spa. Bakit siguro tinawag na balance spa? For me lang ha. Dahil mababalance ulit mo yung sarili mo. Kung alam yung tagilid mo yung katawan mo sa sobrang kakatrabaho, mababalance mo na ulit siya kasi imamassage yung mukha dito mamaya. May mga point daw silang itatouch na talagang mawawala yung mga stress. And then the back. It's just face and the body is 250,000 won. Very worth it naman yun, guys. Kung meron kang budget pa, ibigay mo naman sa sarili mo. Kung baga, ito talagang sinasabi na, deserve mo to. Kaya, you have to invest to your health talaga. Para maganda din yung performance na bibigay ng health mo towards to your work. So, I will take out my makeup first before I enter the kingdom of Solhaso. This is the makeup room ng Solhaso. Dahil, kung wala naman akong dalang makeup, dito ako magme-makeup gamit ang mga Solhaso product. Pero andito yung mga Solhaso product ko. Magbibili ako nito guys. Bakit? Kasi 100% daw talaga nilalagay ng mga ginseng dito pa. For more younger face, ito talaga ang may powder sila. Oh. And guys, oh, at alam mo malinis. Pwede ko madudumi ito pag gamitin mo. Alam mo guys, oh. Ayan. The lipstick. Wow. But for now, I have to treat myself with the treatment. We go to the treatment na the room. Let's go. Ang ganda room, ha? Guys, sobrang ganda. Makikita mo ang nilang park habang nagre-relax. Dito kami mag-date ni Mama. And then look at this outfit that I have to wear. Ayan na nga. Ayan. With the chinelas. Ay, ako, nahihiya tayo sa spa. Yung nilibre tayo ng Premier Spa. Pero, punit-punit yung mga panty. Date with my mother. Kung may aesthetic lang, ito sumobra sa aesthetic. So, ito na kami ni Mama. The best relaxation. Bawal i-video ang mga kuan, guys. So, I'm very private and bakit pa ako mag-video? Paano ko marirelax kung mag-video ako, diba? So, thank you so much sa Luaso. I-start na ang aming mga treatment, guys, sa spa na ito. And then, ito ang the best na. Thank you so much. Sulwaso. Guys, ito na kami, guys, ni Mama, guys. Ang mukha namin. Tapos, nakagalan yung mukha namin, guys. Sobrang the best. Alam mo, spa talaga siya sa mukha at sa katawan. Talaga naghumilik good kami. Sobrang the best siya. Bakit? So many ginseng ang nilagaw. Tignan mo mukha ko. Ang assessment niya sa akin, very dry daw yung skin ko. And then, yung back ko is kailangan ko ng stretching. And then, si Mama naman, kailangan daw niya ng talagang mga kon sa mukha ka para marami siyang lines. So, kanang the best experience talaga siya. Oh, tignan mo, parang dumaan siya sa Bagyo. Parang yung mukha niya.
Uy, nawala yung split ends.
Split ends? Wrinkles?
Wrinkles dito, oh.
Ano yung buhok? Mukha mo, buhok?
Wala na, marami
pa rin.
Yung
pero,
galing-galing.
it's the best. Tignan mo yung mga mukha ng aming ko, very beautiful. The skin is very close. Hindi daw kami mag-shower, no? 1 year. So, we were gonna make up there. And then we were gonna make up, so itataparan namin yung mukha namin.
I will be the one to make up.
Guys, grabe talaga yung skin ko. Para naging, para na ako naging pores. Ang ganda ng skin ko. Ano ang gamita, oh? Kani gamita. Ganitas, anak ka dali, anak ka. Gamay lang, gamay lang.
Asa ka ni?
Hindi
ko alam kung alam sa make-up. Wala kasi ako talagang make-up. Hindi ko alam yan.
Parang na-feel ko na naging Korean ako. Ang ganda ng effect ba? Kasi #1 talaga ang Korea sa pa-beautifies. I want the serum. Because my face is closing. Nag-close yung pores ko. So I need this beauty regimen before you put a makeup. And it's very important to relax the face.
Wait, this is over.
Oh no!
It's over?
Okay. Ba't mo nila ginamit yung dyan? Bakit? Alam mo, may evict tayo dito sa Korea dahil sa ginawa mo. Hindi na yun makeup sa Jabawakis na yun.
Hindi ka habang nakating sa inyo lahat, nag-uusap mo nag-alis ka talagang nanay.
Blayan, ikaw?
Hindi. Kasi hindi mo aalisin to, Mami. Inalis mo kasi.
Bakit mo aalisin yan dyan nga?
Hindi mo aalisin yan.
Hindi mo. Inalis yung foam.
Alam mo, I'm very sorry, Sulwaso.
Wala. Diba sinabi ko wala akong
oo, tinamot lamutak kayo. Guys, wala kayo mga anak ko. Tinanggalan ko ako ng stress sa sarili ko. Na-stress naman ako sa nanay ko, guys.
Ay, ginoo ko. Sorry. Ano ko, para naman itong abukado. Hindi na niya ako magalaw niya.
May dalawang nagpa-treatment. Kinulong dahil nakasira sa Sulwaso. Alam nyo, guys, dito na kami pwede. Ay, kasi na. Jusong, ham mo dito.
Endings, you experience. You learning. You running.
Ipula Banding in Sulwaso.
This vlog is in partnership with the Korean Tourism Organization Manila office.